Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a star by folding 2 sheets of origami paper. This is one of the easiest origami artworks among the other easy ones. You can draw some picture on your star after you make one, and you can hang it on a wall or put it in a picture frame to display on a table. You may also hang it on a Christmas tree. Here are some more examples. We need 2 sheets of origami paper or square paper. You can use the same colors or different colors. If you are going to draw pictures, you may want to use white sheets of paper. If your papers are rectangular, watch my other video and make squares first. Let's begin. Put the corners of the first paper at the top and the bottom. Follow the bottom corner up to the top corner. Match them precisely together and crease the bottom. Follow the bottom right corner to the bottom left corner. Match them precisely together and crease the right edge. We are done with the first paper. Let's leave it aside. Put the corners of the second paper at the top and the bottom as we did before. Follow the bottom corner to the top corner and match them together. Crease the bottom edge. Pick only the top sheet and fold the top left edge to the bottom edge. Crease the mounting fold. Turn over the paper and have the longest edge of the triangle on the right side. Fold the bottom corner to the top corner. The 2 corners should match precisely. Crease the bottom edge. Slide your finger into the corner of the pocket. Flatten the top part down as you push the roof of the triangle. Match the right edges and crease the mounting fold. Now we are done with the second paper. Place the first paper having the longest edge at the top. Open the second paper and slide the first paper inside. Let's glue the 2 parts. Open the top layer and glue the first and second parts together. Press them so that they stick together well. Flip the star and let's do the same with this side. Open the top layer and glue the first and second parts together again. And press to help them stick together well. Now we are done. Enjoy drawing pictures on it. Thank you for folding a star with us today. Please subscribe so that we can fold next origami together.